As of Khan, Facebook VIP member, my brother has been in the States since 2013. He entered the States on a B1, B2 visa. He didn't want to overstay on his visa. What if he can file for asylum, or is he married to a green card holder? How long will these cases take to be legalized?
Well, if he's in legal status and marries a green card holder, he can adjust his status in a year. That would be probably the best thing to do. Second best thing to do would be asylum. I don't know if he has a good asylum claim or not.
Oscar, a Facebook VIP member, if you're having a pending I-130 for over 15 months with USCIS without any action on it, can you file for a fresh I-130 again? Are you eligible to file twice with the same person?
You wouldn't do that. You're just going to set yourself back further.
Okay. McBeo Mickey on Facebook. After being denied for a green card and my wife filed for divorce, how long before I can get married?
The next day.
Anderson Smith on Facebook, when an application is filed to become a naturalized citizen, can the applicant travel outside the U.S. or should they wait on a decision from the USCIS?
You can travel outside the U.S. with a pending naturalization, just be in the United States more often than out of the U.S.
Chrissy Collins Bailey on Facebook, my kids' papers have been documentarily complete since last year, and every 60 days they keep sending me a generic letter saying they're still in line for an interview, but they are not doing any interviews because of COVID. What can I do?
And COVID, call Biden. I mean, you got to actually expedite the case, just some humanitarian reasons. There's people there, but it's going very, very slowly.
Marilyn Patton on YouTube, filing for my 30-year-old Jamaican-born son since February 2019. After that first response, nothing more. Can you tell how much longer? I'm a U.S. citizen.
How old is the son?
30 years old.
You're going to wait at least 3 or 4 more years.
Carolyn Jean-Baptiste on YouTube. I applied for my husband for a green card. I-130 was approved. I-485 denied. Now immigration approved the 601. What next?
The I-485 should be reopened again, and if not, then you would have to file a new I-485.
Melanie Allen on Instagram. How soon can a green card holder after landing file for their children under 21, 13 and 20? And will the 20-year-old be protected under Child Act, or will they age out?
You can file the day you arrive as a permanent resident, even if you don't have the green card, because you have a stamp in your passport. Probably the 20-year-old will age out, is my guess.
And how many sponsors would they need?
Worry about the sponsors down the line. You're sponsoring now. Affidavits are supported down the line. You worry about it then.
Daryl Winnabaugh on YouTube. A friend of mine, their wife is filing for the N400 in May and needs to file in or fill in the spouse section for her husband, but the husband is on a pending change of status to F1 since October. Will this be a problem?
No.
Kimya Lawrence on Facebook. My kids are American citizens, but they live here with me in Jamaica. I don't have travel documents. How do I get child support for them here?
You have to go to the state in which the father is living, I guess, or the state. You're not going to be able to get child support. You're not going to be able to get child support in Jamaica. You can't go to Jamaica, to the family court in Jamaica. I would assume, I'm not a family court lawyer, I would assume in the state where the father lives.
Deji, a king boy on Facebook. Can I sponsor my undocumented immigrant nephew who is 6 years old for a green card? He's already on U.S. soil.
He can do a special immigrant juvenile if he's an abandoned child by at least one biological parent. You can do an adoption of him. That would take a little longer, but you can do either one, presuming the child would be living with you.
Princess Dyer on Facebook. If you're here in the USA and out of status, have a valid passport, but your J1 visa or your visiting visa are expired, can you still fly to a different state?
You can still fly even undocumented.
Abi Am on YouTube received a letter from USCIS saying I-485 administratively closed, but on the USCIS case tracker it says I-485 denied, and we sent you the denial notice, but I never got a denial notice. My I-130 is approved. What should I do?
Well, I guess we'd have to do a USCIS FOIA to find out why your case was denied and refile again.
Sobless on YouTube. 8/28/22 would be my 5-year anniversary since getting my green card through marriage. When can I file for my citizenship?
8/22/22.
Brave Girl on YouTube.
Actually, 90 days before 8/22. That would be not 90 days before your 5-year anniversary of your green card.
Okay, last one. Brave Girl on YouTube. Hey, Brad, I got my 10-year green card through VAWA last year. Can I bring my 20-year-old son to America and apply for his green card?
he can follow to join you here, and he would enter the United States with a green card. You got to do an I-824 to the National Visa Center. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.